Salvatore Cevellini worked hard to support his family. His father, Alfredo, had lost his life saving a naval officer while working in a naval hangar. Salvatore was 6. First he joined Benelli and Pesaro, then he moved to Modena to work for Maserati. In 1946, he started his own company and turned dreams into tangible realities. Roberto, Salvatore's youngest son, transformed the family business into a reference for high-precision engineering. In 1996, Roberto and his son Franco, a materials engineer, founded CRP Technology. In 1999, he created the first titanium gearbox for Minardi F1 via rapid casting. In 2008, under his vision, CRP pioneered hybrid manufacturing, integrating DMLS with CNC to merge additive and subtractive strengths, eventually expanding to new sectors and around the world. Livia Cevellini, Roberto's daughter and Franco's sister, launched Windform worldwide. And then, as CEO, founded Energica, Italy's first high-performance, fully electric motorcycle company. Energica's breakthrough was boosted by the partnership with the CRP Group, combining F1 expertise with advanced materials shaping the most demanding industries. From this pioneering project, CRP Racing decided to build the first electric sport bike for road use. From prototype to breakthrough, CRP companies boosted every step of Energica's evolution. In 2018, Energica was chosen by Dorna as the single manufacturer for the FIM Enel Moto E World Cup and provided state-of-the-art Ego Corsa from 2019 to 2022. In 2023, Energica scored the first ever podium finish by an electric motorcycle against ICE bikes in an FIM-sanctioned closed-circuit competition, Moto America. From being a pioneer, Energica quickly became the gold standard of electric motorcycling.